the really nice thing with all these new functions is that they just give so much potential scope. It's a real good set of tools they've given us. And one of those is this filter function. Let's just have a look at how this one works. Equals filter. Now, obviously, I've got our table that we used in the sort function earlier. And what I'm going to do is, the first thing it wants to know is where's the array. So I'm just going to select my array there. It then says, okay, well, what do you want to include? Well, I'm going to include a term over here, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to use this column here. So I'm going to select that column and it says this must be equaled to, and let's use F6 as our measure. Look up F6 in that list there, comma. The last one is if empty. So what if this is empty? Let's just put some empty speech marks to say, right, leave this box as empty. So F6 is empty, so that has come back empty because there's nothing in here that's empty, so the function hasn't come across. Now, let's just put that box in F6. Let's put a narrower box here so we can see where our formula is. And what I'm going to put here is I'm just going to put the word finance. And we've got a spill issue. Now, the reason for the spill issue is my formula is there, but that's easy enough. All I'm going to do is move that to there. We've got a spill. And this is a really effective thing. What it's done is it's filtered my formula there, has looked at the table and pulled in all of the finance and then given me a table related to that. And the really nice part about that is this ability to use any other column in that table. So if you've got a huge table and you want to use the fifth column in, you couldn't have done that before. You'd have had to have come up with an ingenious way of doing this, but you don't need to now. This filter does that for you. And there's that spill again. You can see the spill is going to become something really important within Excel. And that's the filter function. Next, we're going to look at the sort by function.